The Key to Excellent Speaking by AJ Hogue. What is the most important English skill? What skill must you have to communicate well? Obviously, number one is fluency. What is fluency? Fluency is the ability to speak and understand English quickly and easily without translation. Fluency means you can talk easily with native speaker. They easily understand you and you easily understand them. In fact, you speak and understand instantly. Fluency is the most important English goal. The researcher is clear there. It's the only one you get fluency. Do not get fluency by reading textbooks. You do not get fluency by going to English schools. You do not get fluency by studying grammar. Rules listening is the key. Get English fluency, you must have a lot of understandable representative listening. That the only way of fantastic English. Speaker, you must learn English with your ears, not your eyes. In your words, you must listen. Your ears are the key to excellent speaking. What kind of listening is best? Well, it must be understandable and must repetitive. Both of those words are important, understandable and representative. If you don't understand, you learn nothing. You will not improve. That's why you listen to English TV does not help you to understand. Most of it is too difficult, is too fast. It's always right. If you do not understand, you will not improve. So the best listening materials is easy that right you should listen mostly to easy English most students listen to. English that is much too difficult, they don't understand enough and so they learn slowly. Listen to easier English then speak will improve faster. Understanding is the only half the formula. Understanding is not enough, but also have a lot of repetition. If you hear a new word only once, you soon forget it. You hear it 5 times, you will still probably forget it. You must hear new words and new grammar many times before you will understand them instantly. How many times is necessary? Most people must hear a new word 30 times to remember it. Forever to know a word and instantly understand it, you probably need to hear 50 to 100 times. That's why I tell my students to listen to all of my lesson many times. I tell them to listen to the mini stories